BTC USDT 1-day chart. This very significant breakout out of the $28,300 level that we're talking about on this channel. After this breakout around this area, then market begin to move downward. Is this area an area of reversal? This is what I'm going to talk about in this very analysis. And on the 4-hour chart, market has dropped right down. ETH 1-day chart right here in the 4-hour chart. I'm going to also look at Matic. What is the market going to do? Market is going to go back down a little bit before retracement, and also on ADA. All of these and more into this analysis. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other educational content. On the BTC USDT 1-day charts, I was talking about this very level of 28,300 at this very point, that if the market break out on this, then you should expect the market to come back down to $25,000. The video is still on this channel, so you can find that out in any of these two videos. And that is the exact same thing that happened right at this very area yesterday. Market just dropped right down up to this very point of $25,127, and right now market is still going to come back down. One thing very important I want you to take note of into this analysis is how the market was moving to the upside. And if you look at it, you see the market move all the way from this area to this point and then come back down. The market move from here, move up again, and then retreat significantly. That means we can call all the way from this point to this area one length move, that is an impulse, and then retracement of the move. After this very move, we see the market move again, pause at this very area and move. The same thing that happened within this very zone, and then significant retracement all the way down. That means market move all the way from this zone, impulse, retracement, okay, and the market continue again to the upside. But one thing very important, if you look at it, when the market was retracing, it did not get to where it moves from in the past. When market retrace here, it did not get to where it moved from in the past. This is a very significant methodology in technical analysis. And then look at the way market move from this very area. From here, market move up and did not create a significant new high, unlike what we are seeing at this very point and at this very area after this very move upward. So what I'm thinking right now, is this a point of reversal, this very area? Yes, I am expecting the market to reverse and begin to move back down. And the target after a breakout on this level of $25,000 is the market to come into this very zone of $20,000 at this very area. This is what I am paying attention to right now, and therefore you should be looking for the market moving downward. Like I said in my immediate last video, that if the market breaks out on this very area of 28,300, if you've been watching my videos, then market is going to come back down to this area of $25,000. What you should be paying attention to right now is the market moving down. That means looking for short opportunity or true is very, very important. So still expect this market to move gradually into this very area of important support. Not aggressive move unlike we see with this very candle. Market should move gradually downward and then retracement. At the end of this retracement, market is going to continue back down into this very area of $20,000 and $21,000. So this very zone is very important right at this very area. So this is what you need to be paying attention to right now on the chart, because market has already broken this very key level that was holding the market for a very, very long time. After this breakout, market come into this area. This is significant area where market move to the upside from. So expect the market to actually, move significantly upward in retracement formation, because this market have to create a new low, because market have to move a little bit and create a new low lower than this very low to confirm this trend reversal. And that is what I am expecting. Market will definitely create a new low. Once that new low comes into play in the market and then retracement comes in, after the end of retracement, market is going to begin to move downward. And the next target of the market I am looking out for is this level of 20,800 and this very area of 19,800. These two areas are very, very important. Nevertheless, we will not also leave this very zone of support out. That is this very area of $21,000. This is the zone you need to pay attention to for the next impulsive move to get into in the market. So pay attention to this, guys. It's very, very important. And on the immediate short time, expect the market to move to the downside. That means this very movement that you're seeing on Bitcoin chart right now should gradually move downward. Possible new low lower than this before that very significant retracement, and then after the retracement it's going to come back down again for continuation. 1 day chart BTC USDT analysis, very, very important. And if you look at the MACD that I have been watching all this while, you discover that the momentum on the positive side of the MACD was very, very low. And I talk about this in this my very last video right here. And the market failed to create significant momentum on this very MACD positive histogram, and right now market has fallen to the negative side of the MACD with increased momentum. That is what we did not see on the positive side right here, is what we are now seeing on the negative side of the MACD, increased momentum. So what that also signifies is that the market is going to move in the direction of this flow to the downside. And that is what we need to be paying attention to right now on the 1 day chart and on the 4 hour chart right here. BTC USDT as well. You see the market has crashed all the way back down. I am expecting a sluggish movement downward, just a sluggish movement downward, then significant retracement, and then continuation to the downside. Don't buy the market except you are a counter trend trader. The market is already in the downtrend, very, very big downtrend right now, and you need to look for short opportunity after retracement for market to continue downward so that you take those profits off the table. This is what you need to pay attention to right now. Market move gradually downward and then significant retracement and then continuation back to this level of important support at this area of $25,200 or $25,300. This is a very key level you need to watch right now. And on the ETH USDT 1 day chart, if you look at here, the same thing on the Bitcoin chart. The market has already failed to create a new high on ETH. If you look at this, the market all the way from here move upward, retrace, and then move from this area back to this point, retrace, and then this movement will not create a new high. So market failed to create a new high at this very point. Fail swing, the market continue downward and it has already created a new low. So what you can deduce from this analysis is we have a high right here, we have a low right here, we have a lower high at this very point, market is down already, we have another new low at this very area. This is a downtrend coming into formation. And if you look at this very area, this is where we are seeing the reversal. So market reverses back to the downside. What it means is that you should be looking for short opportunity on the 1 day chart ETH USDT right now. On the immediate short term, expect the market to gradually come back down, not with this kind of force that the market is using coming back down at first, but a gradual movement and then retracement back to the upside and continuation again to the downside. And the level you need to pay attention to, or what you need to watch, is this very area of support as well. So this very zone of support is a critical zone on the ETH chart. So at this very point, I am expecting the market to come down after this very retracement of this impulsive move to the downside. So the market move impulse retracement, continuation into the zone of support. So what you need to do is to look for short opportunity at the end of retracement, and that will possibly be around this very area. ETH for our chart right here, see the market is coming back down gradually. What I am expecting is retracement on the chart, but before that retracement comes in, we should see a gradual movement downward and then significant retracement and continuation. Don't buy the market except you are a counter trend trader. It will be wise for you to wait for the market to move upward, and then at the end of retracement you short the market for the possible move to the downside, approaching this very level of support. That is where the market will reject from to the upside at this very point of $1,151. Retracement ends and then continuation will come in, and then you take a short position on Matic here as well. See the market is already moving gradually. Don't expect any big move downward. That means don't short the market where the market is right now, and on any of these positions on ETH, don't short the market here, and also on Bitcoin, don't short the market here. Market will not just move drastically to the downside anymore. So on Matic here, just watch the market. Market is going to go down gradually and then retracement into this zone and continuation. Don't buy as well as market is moving upward, because you will not practically understand where retracement is going to stop, but we will know when retracement is going to stop based on the market move. And then at the end of retracement, market is going to continue downward to this very point of support. So short the market at the end of retracement after this very move upward. ADA USDT for our chart, the same thing. Market has already moved a little bit upward on this very chart, so expect a little move downward from here where the market is, a little move downward and then significant move upward, and then a continuation to the downside again. So I'm expecting a gradual movement from here and the market into this zone of resistance right here, and this level of support at this area should be a nice area where we should expect end of retracement for continuation to the downside. This is what you need to pay attention to on all this chart. What you need to understand right now is shorting the market across board. No need to buy except you are a counter trend trader. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check this channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.